Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 6864XD5000E is a robust and reliable diesel-powered portable generator designed to deliver 5,000 watts of power, making it an ideal choice for emergency backup situations. Its rugged construction and powerful engine cater to both residential and commercial needs, providing peace of mind during unexpected outages. One of the standout features of the XD5000E is its diesel engine, known for its fuel efficiency and longevity compared to traditional gasoline generators. With a runtime of up to 22 hours on a full tank, this generator minimizes the need for frequent refueling, especially during extended power outages. The 4.5-gallon fuel tank is conveniently designed for easy filling and has a fuel gauge, ensuring users are always aware of their remaining fuel level. The generator's power output is impressive, capable of supporting essential appliances like refrigerators, heaters, and sump pumps simultaneously. Users can easily connect the generator to their home's transfer switch for seamless power restoration. The XD5000E also features an intuitive control panel with multiple outlets, including both 120V and 240V options, accommodating various devices. Portability is another major advantage. Weighing in at approximately 200 pounds, it comes equipped with heavy-duty wheels and a foldable handle, making it easier to transport to job sites or emergency locations. The generator's design is rugged yet user-friendly, with an easy start system that ensures reliable operation without the hassle often associated with starting diesel generators. Noise levels are reasonable for a generator of this size, operating at about 70 decibels, making it relatively unobtrusive during use. Additionally, the XD5000E is engineered for durability, with a powder-coated frame that resists corrosion and wear, ensuring it can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Overall, the Generac 6864XD5000E is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a dependable and powerful portable generator. Its combination of efficiency, portability, and robust output makes it an essential tool for emergency preparedness.